Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a full step-by-step guide on how to install iOS 26 on your iPhone. This is the latest iOS version that just came out recently, and I will show you how to download it on your phone. The process is very simple, so we will go through it step by step so you don't make any mistakes. So first of all, we need to make sure that our iPhone is compatible with iOS 16. If you have an iPhone 8 or above, you can install this new iOS version. Now let's go to Settings, General Software Update. Here you can see that we have an update available for iOS 16. So tap on Download and Install. If you see this message, don't panic because it's totally normal. Just tap on OK and it will check for the update again. Then tap on Download and Install. Now it will start downloading the software, and this may take some time depending on your internet speed. In my case, it downloaded pretty fast, and now it will ask us to install it. So tap on Install. To install iOS 16 on your iPhone, you need to have at least 50% battery remaining. So if your battery is low, charge it a little bit and then try to install the update. And now we need to enter the passcode of our iPhone. After that, it will start installing the update, and this may take around 30 minutes or maybe less. And after the installation is finished, you should restart your phone. Now, while the installation is going on, you can see the progress bar here. Once the progress bar is finished, it means that the installation is complete and you can restart your device. After restarting your iPhone, you will see the new iOS 16 wallpaper and also the new iOS 16 home screen, and that's it. That's how you install iOS 26 on your iPhone. Now, if you want to see the new iOS 26 features, you can watch the official Apple iOS 26 overview video, which I will link in the description below. Also, if you want to see the iOS 26 changelog with all the new features and changes, you can check it out in the article in the description. I hope you found this tutorial useful, so make sure to like this video. Also, if you have any questions, queries, or doubts, then comment down below. I'll try to help you out. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching. See you soon.